I'm going to show you how to make a pocket for your notebook using the Notebook Pocket template. So this is printed on cardstock, which is thicker than regular paper so that your pockets will last all school year. First thing I'm doing is cutting along the dashed lines. Wherever you see a dashed line, you want to cut that off. So I'm cutting off the corners. You're going to have two pockets, one for current work and then a second pocket for graded work. Once I have all my cuts made, I'm going to do my folds. There are light gray lines on there, and that's where you're going to fold. I think it's easier to flip my pocket over, fold along the line. It doesn't have to be exact, but should be close to that gray line. And there's one on the bottom also, so fold your paper till you can kind of see that word fold. And you've got your tabs. Now, I'm going to unfold my tabs, and I'm going to tape. And I'm going to tape them with the tape face down as though I were going to tape my pocket down to the table like this. I'm obviously not going to do that, but that's how I'm going to put my tape on. And this is an instance where using a good amount of tape is helpful. Your pocket will last longer if you use enough tape. So I've got tape on each tab, and the sticky side is facing down. I'm going to fold those tabs back, down. Now the sticky side of the tape is facing up. I'm going to open my notebook. So this is the front cover. This is where things that we are currently working on are going to be placed. And you want to make sure you get this right because it's really hard to move your pocket once you get your pocket stuck down. So make sure your pocket is really where you want it before you stick all the way. Now the last step is to actually tape the sides of your pocket. And this just really helps to keep the pocket from falling out, helps to hold your papers in better. You don't want to tape up past the top because then you'll have a hard time getting papers into your pocket. I got mine a little close to the bottom, which is going to make taping the bottom of my pocket difficult, although I'm just going to fold my tape to the front of the notebook. Alright, and now you've got a spot to put whatever we are currently working on. If that is a full sheet, you just fold that in half. If it's a half sheet, then that fits in there nicely. So you would do the same process with your graded work pocket, but in the back cover of your notebook. And throughout the course of the year, you may need to add a little bit of tape to reinforce these if you want, but they should last you the entire year.